Today is a very special day. After 20 years, we hooked my dad up on enough anxiety medicine to let me try to get my NHRA license in his car. And if today doesn't go well, it might very well be the last time I get to drive his car.
Ready, Joey?
I don't know. I'm gonna be ready, I think.
How you do? You good?
I don't know where that one is.
Huh?
I don't know where the other horns
Let me
is.
get this. The other Hans? You got it? So just make sure you're okay. You're on the right screen. So when you push the brake, you'll see it. And like I said, I just usually put it at 400 and start to burn out. I'm going to put you in the water so you'll be able to spin tires easy. And then the race switch when you get ready to stage, okay?
Okay, radio. Turn it on like halfway. Okay?
Beep.
Oh, yeah, yep.
So luckily it's just a short section from the Y box to the rail. We'll just grab the other one.
Okay, I'm going to put my radio on.
Finish our
That's one out of the way. 5 more to go. We'll see how he did. I don't know how he'll react to it, to be honest. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully good. Shifted it. Try to spin the tire, I think. I don't know what.
It just looked like it kind of bounced over to the right a little bit.
And it's, a lot of it might be that the car isn't set because it don't have any loops to it.
That wasn't that bad. I'll live to see another day.
I screwed up, huh?
What? Why?
I never turned the air on. Oh, but we never pulled the chute.
Oh, not up there, you didn't?
No.
You guys don't have a process.
Well, we don't have a process, but were you waiting for me? Is that why the length of time you took on the starting line?
Yeah, I had no idea. Nobody told me.
Well, I thought
I didn't know.
Greg being in front of you.
No, I didn't know if he was up there because.
Yeah, no, he's gonna bring you up.
Oh, no, I had no idea.
Okay.
I didn't know if he knew something.
No, it's okay. It's my fault. How did everything feel?
Easy.
Huh?
This wasn't bad.
So we can put much power in?
I wouldn't go that far. It's kind of slow.
I think we need to give a little more. Michelle went faster. Okay, let me have the computer.
I've seen what happens when you tune stuff. It didn't go to the two-step. It never made it.
Didn't sound like it.
It just, because we didn't have any boost in it on the starting line. 609. Wow, 6148. That's what I said.
What did it run to the quarter?
1090.
Still went 1091 on a license pass.
Okay.
So you're trying to go 790 just for your sportsman's license today, Joey?
Than Aiden did.
What did Aiden go?
What did he go? He went like 913.
Okay.
He doesn't have the wind we have today, so.
I could go quicker than Aiden.
We're just going to have to
That's
let it
how the
calm
day
down
goes.
before I don't want you willing to shoot it. Well, no.
No, not this crap.
I mean, if you could go and lift it 1,000 foot where you could coast to the last thing, that'd be fine. But everything's real smooth, so the mile per hour. Don't turn that off.
I turned off the sheets.
Oh, okay.
So Mom did turn the shit on.
Oh, we do have a process.
Over the data, I came to the conclusion it was very slow and lean. So we put fuel in it, and because we were in the part of the map we've never been in, because he's never ran it with so little boost. So put fuel in it, and we're gonna see if it maybe fattens it a little bit. It made a pound, and then it made 2 pounds on the gear change. That's all. So, but I didn't lift.
He's upset with me from the last one.
Yeah.
That's how I look at this.
supposed to
I said,
know?
"What are you doing?" He goes, "I'm good to go. What are you guys doing?"
It's like, get out of my way, I'm ready to roll.
And then he said something on the radio. Am I okay? It felt more comfortable with Greg up there, and I just went with it because it just seemed to be, he's the calming of this.
Do you take some anxiety medicine?
We loaded
No.
him up. Hang on, I lost the seat belt.
I didn't.
Oh, bad spot again, James.
Bad luck, huh?
What the heck? Oh my gosh. But the other side's even worse.
He should be comfortable.
So that was a little bit better. A 972. I stayed in it just past the 8th. 584 to the 8th versus the 60 from last time, and a 10th quicker at the 60. I let it come up on the brake longer. So it actually had boost when it left, instead of leaving on nothing and waiting for it to come in. So it was a little bit better.
Seemed like if wanted to, I could feel it wanted to go. Which way was it going? It's super weird. So like when you're driving it just like around here, like just straight in a line, the steering wheel, it's offset to the right. Make it a pass, it's offset to the left. So it screws with me. It's not a good excuse, but no, I could feel it. I went to the one side, I could feel, and I didn't want to keep going. It was going towards the center, so I got out of it at the 8th that time instead. First sub 10. Turbo things.
doing?
Oh, no, I was just draining on the ground. We'll have muddy pits. We have a mud bog. So between rounds, we do typical turbo car maintenance, and that involves ignoring the plugs, not taking the hood off, and putting ice in it. that's the top 10 things how to go racing with a turbo car. Oh, make sure the O2 sensor's still good. That's a big one. 20-layer pants are not very flexible.
Getting all those rocks out of there. So that way their starting line doesn't look like a gravel pit. Because if you turn the race switch on and you hit it,
locks it out.
okay. Well, let's just go right back up there then. It's okay. No, that's why I was telling you to cycle the race switch.
Oh, I couldn't hear you say that.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, that's why I was saying cycle it, because that's what happened to Woodward to me.
Okay.
So because it works, right? You're fine
Yeah,
now?
it works.
Yeah, because if
I probably hit it when I was edging into the light, and then it.
Yeah. Okay, let's just go back up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I just gotta put my belts back on.
Okay, that's fine. Let's just go back up.
Was it?
The race switch.
Since I moved him back like that?
Oh, that's exactly what it was.
What?
I turned the switch on before we backed up.
Oh, yeah, so once you do it, it won't let you reuse it.
Part of the learning deal. Not on me.
Not on me.
Try it again. 140 degree water temp,
Okay.
but it was 120 degree oil, so I didn't run it.
Okay. You good?
We backed up to try and get straight, and I already had the race switch turned on, so it locks out the tranny brake once you press it one time. So when we backed up, it used the tranny brake, and then I didn't cycle the switch to get the trans brake back. Went, what is it, 935. Went 552 to the 8th, which is a 3/10 increase from last time, since we put the boost in it. Wow, I'm like, so
Shaking,
it's
Joey?
improvement apparently. Going better now. So a little bit better. That's all it needs to be, right?
Let me see that.
We gotta find Mom's time slip. Am I faster than Mom yet?
No. Mom went 9:30. Mom went 9:30, 150.
Birthday celebration.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you.
We got you out of your teens. We're gonna celebrate.
At least you're happy. Is it no more stress?
No.
it's still very stressful.
Why?
Because it's your car.
Well, if I'm not stressed.
There we go.
Yeah, James, I was
feeling.
sitting in there shaking. I'm like,
I haven't
time
run
so
up there
far.
and hit the off switch. You're doing good.
Oh, when you came back from this one?
He said it wasn't even fast. So we're
throw some more boost.
I told him put 10 pounds in it and let her rip.
Let her eat down through there.
What do you think, Jay?
I don't know about that one.
Or are you just gonna run this one out farther?
We can run it out further or we can add to it. It only made 4.7, so it needs another pound of CO2 to make the actual 5.
Why don't you put an extra pound of CO2 on it, or 2 pounds, and then the last 2 passes we'll put it on 7 pounds.
I said it felt like the Trans Am did.
That's pretty sad. It felt like the
The Trans Am was quick to the 60 foot and then it was slower everywhere else.
My feelings are hurt. I mean, compared it even to the Trans Am, my God. We took. I don't even know what to comment.
Green signals for sale.
Yeah, really. You would have thought. Sad.
Sorry, delivery.
It never shifted. Or I didn't think it shifted, or I got antsy. But it seemed like it went way, way higher, so I just shifted it and then it moved and I got out of it because I was scared. So.
Turn the bottle the wrong way.
Maybe the bottom wasn't on. Don't let it go. It's still pretty good, isn't it?
I'm officially quicker than Mom.
Oh, what? I'm ready to get my car done.
Would it go to the 8th?
I gotta keep up with Joey Berry.
Let's download it real quick and maybe we can all make it.
I asked Dave if we can get our last 2 in.
Felt like it was bouncing. I got past the 8th mile and it went into 3rd and it started unloading and you could feel it. Womp, womp, womp. And I was like, oh no! So I got out of it.
We're not barely putting any power to it, so it's not setting the car and holding it. Like the front tires probably came off the ground probably that far too when you first launch, but it doesn't have enough to keep maintaining the car.
Okay.
So that's what you're gonna get to unload where it,
Okay.
right. Once you keep getting more and more power, it'll set the car and just
It'll hold it.
Yep.
Okay.
Just right through it, you got it.
Hey.
What's the dip, Joey?
It's 170 on the oil.
Hey, what's water?
It's 170. The tranny's 208.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go see how long we can. 280 doesn't. Let me see if we can get 15 minutes. 280.
See where we're at.
Did it feel squirrely at all?
It bounced.
It bounced.
So, last pass. Hopefully, last pass.
Is that battery out?
And then we'll have a license, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't believe it ran that good.
Hell yeah.
Wow. I'm happy. I don't know how it ran that good.
I'm pretty good.
Well, it was bouncing. I could see what he's talking about. I don't know why it's bouncing. Okay, he's got a license. Now he's got to get his own car done.
I wasn't gonna lift. I needed quicker.
Well, do we need to download or can we run up and sign that thing?
We probably should. Well, we have like 40 minutes. So
Well, let's run up there and get him to sign and then come back.
Okay.
Because we have drivers to sign. We just need them to sign
Okay.
before they leave.
Yeah, you need Dave. Dave will sign it.
That one. And that one. Look at that constant progression.
It's a credit
I'm
card.
official.
They say it's stolen
Sort
and
of.
they
We're gonna
take
Close
it.
enough,
I'm
right?
gonna go to Texas.
So I got all my passes for my license done. Subscribe and shit. Anxiety medicine didn't wear off. We're good. I'm gonna have to live another day.